I just finished cooking. Tonight we have catfish, mashed potatoes, and corn. Let's eat. First bite for y'all. Hmm. Let's mix some other mashed potatoes with the corn. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and mix this up. I bite with everything. Mm. Excuse me.